crazy right now, but we're gonna go in the gym and we're gonna go do some upper body. I'm gonna teach you some things on how to give you a pretty back and everything. And I know a lot of people like focus on like full body, but honestly, do not hit your chest. If you have bigger chest muscles, like chest, like a bigger chest, sure, go ahead, hit chest all you want, because you got big boobs, so you can kind of cover chesticles. I look crazy, but I'm tired. I didn't sleep last night. And yeah, so we don't care. We're gonna go work out and I'm gonna look hit and I don't care. But if you are the type of person that doesn't have boobs or chest like me, do not work chest, because the leaner you get, the more muscle you're gonna see here. And like, don't get me wrong, like shoulders are nice, but like, just if you're a type that builds easily up top, just don't do it. You know, don't do it. Okay. But we're gonna go in there and do some chicken chips, and we're gonna try. The gym's pretty busy right now. I try not to record too much if there's people around me, because I don't like to like make sure people are not in my view of camera. I know how that feels to be in someone's camera. I don't like to do that to people, so I'll usually stop recording or just won't record. So we'll see. I ain't tripping too if I don't really record much, just because it is what it is. I'm here to work out anyways. So yeah, we're gonna do this, and we got cardio today. Don't forget your cardio. If you want to stay slim, D back, and you can work back as much as you want. But if you are not the type to lose body fat up top like that, you will not slim down unless you do fucking cardio. Get over it. Okay, get over it. So do your fucking cardio. The Stairmasters is, I say Stairmaster because I swear, everyone's like, it's so hard. It's going to be hard in the beginning. Just like working out. It's the same thing. Get over it. Get over it. If you want a snatch body, you want a nice ass body, you want a slim waist but a fat ass still, go do the stairs. Okay? So we're going to go now. It's a nice day outside. We're going to go do this cardio because the body's built in the gym. We don't care what we look like in the gym. Okay? We don't care. The gym is used for the outside. So, you know, wow, that person almost hit my fucking car and I would have gone off. But it's fine. Because she was cutting through the parking lot. But, so, just saying, go to the gym. The gym is used for outside body. Yeah, so, you know, outside body, you want to make sure that that's what you're using it for. Don't use it for anything else. Stop looking at people that look pretty or whatever. Work out, sweat, do what you need to do. Stop focusing on people, okay? We work out to look good in normal clothes on the outside, okay? That's the goal. And I know some people are out here physique building and shit, and like bodybuilding, that's cool, but once you get tired of doing that, good luck getting your body down, because if you want to cut muscle, it's hard to cut muscle. I'm trying to cut my arms down. You know, like from wanting to be a bodybuilder, not really caring now. So now I'm having a hard time. And that's me barely lifting. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is warm up on the treadmill. We always warm up on the treadmill, guys. Okay, gotta get the legs going. Get the body flowing. Okay, so I go for a quick walk and jog on an incline first. Obviously, I get a little hot. Look, I'll take the jacket off. You already know, thick thigh problem, gotta pull the legs down. Now, we're gonna start back up again. Now, this first warm up, what I'm gonna show you is to activate your teres major area that's behind your shoulders. Get that really fired up for proper form for upper body, okay? Brace your core here and then walk up the wall and walk back down the wall. I have more about this on my programs that I have in my links. So walking up and wall, I pretty much go to it burns. You know, you're getting a good burn over here shaking. This is a little bit harder version, same concept. Keep those arms parallel. After a while, they'll start burning. Brace the core, brace the core. It's very, very important here. Now, you can tell obviously that shit was burning. It was fire. Trying to shake it off. Now, we're going to go into Y's. I'm going to keep going till it burns. Because for these movements, when you're using resistant band, the best way to keep the activation and really get those muscles activated and building is you go for a burn, okay? It sucks, but it's so good. So this is another movement. I do this exactly right after the wires to really get my back fired up. My goal is to get that middle trap, lower trap activated. So I don't have upper trap compensation. You wonder why y'all have big necks. Y'all have big traps because you don't activate your lower traps. So here's me activating my deeper neck muscles. As well, I have more about this in my programs, my resistant band program and my posture programs as well, that you're using these type of bands. So you can check that out. So this is another one where we're activating more of the teres minor here and more of your rhomboids. Make sure to brace your core and push your hands towards your body, okay? See how I'm going towards the outside of my leg here. Brace the core and push and squeeze that back. That burns like a motherfucker. So we're gonna go palms up now. This is a little bit more focused on your rhomboids. Same concept, brace and pull back. So this is the next setup here. We're gonna show you a movement that I have in my back program that's for the gym instead of the home program. So you will do this movement if you purchase my back program. This is a great movement if you're trying to create a pretty back. Same concept, brace core, and then you're gonna push and pull. Pull, ha ha ha. So make sure to engage that lower trap. Now these rear delts, you're trying to hit your rear delts behind your shoulders. So my ass has I have a short torso, so I have to sit down a little bit because I'm tall, but the torso ain't tall. So we're gonna duck down, make sure our back's rounded, so we're targeting more behind the shoulders than the trap or the neck area, okay? Right behind, big O, keep a big O, maintain a big O. All right, guys, and that's pretty much it for today. And then we finish off with the stairs. Yeah, love it here. Not really. Still get the body snatch, though. Bye.